at the supermarket.
Hey Emma, what a surprise.
Hi, Jake. You're shopping too?
Yeah, I came with my mom.
Nice. I came with my dad.
The supermarket looks busy today.
Yes, so many people everywhere.
What are you buying today?
Some fruits and snacks.
Oh cool. I need snacks too.
What kind do you like?
I like chips and cookies.
Haha, me too. Especially chocolate ones.
Yeah, chocolate cookies are the best.
Do you like salty chips?
Yes, I love sour cream flavor.
I like cheese flavor more.
Cheese is always a good choice.
Are you buying vegetables too?
Maybe some carrots and lettuce.
Healthy choice. My dad likes salads.
I try to eat healthy sometimes.
That's good. I love fresh juice.
Juice is nice on hot days.
Yes, I drink orange juice daily.
Orange juice is full of vitamins.
My dad says it's good for skin.
Your dad is right, Emma.
What's your favorite drink, Jake?
I like lemonade with ice.
Oh yes. Lemonade is refreshing.
Do you make it at home?
Sometimes, with my mom's help.
That sounds fun and tasty.
Yeah, we had honey instead of sugar.
That's a healthy twist.
Thanks. We try new things often.
Do you cook sometimes too?
A little. I make sandwiches.
That's my favorite snack.
Really? What kind do you like?
Cheese and tomato sandwich.
Yummy. I love peanut butter ones.
Peanut butter is so American.
Haha, yes, it's our classic snack.
Do you like smoothies?
Yes, I make banana smoothies.
Oh, that sounds delicious.
I'll make one for you someday.
Deal. I'll bring cookies then.
Haha, cookies and smoothies party.
That would be fun, Emma.
Let's check the fruit section now.
Sure, I need some apples.
Look, these red ones look perfect.
Yeah, shiny and fresh.
How much are they?
$2 per pound, I think.
That's a good price today.
Yep, let's grab a few.
Do you like bananas too?
Yes, they give quick energy.
I eat one every morning.
Same here. Easy breakfast.
I also like strawberries.
Oh yes, strawberries are sweet.
They're good with yogurt.
And with ice cream too.
Haha, that's my favorite dessert.
Do you like chocolate flavor?
Yes, always chocolate for me.
I like vanilla better.
Really? Vanilla is simple and nice.
Exactly, not too strong.
Let's go to the dairy section.
Sure, I need milk and cheese.
I need yogurt and butter.
Butter makes everything taste better.
True. Especially on pancakes.
Pancakes are my Sunday breakfast.
Mine too. With maple syrup.
I love maple syrup, it's sweet.
Canadian syrup tastes best.
Yeah, we buy that brand too.
Do you cook pancakes yourself?
Sometimes with my sister.
That's cute. She must be little.
Yeah, she's 8 years old.
I have a little brother.
How old is he?
He's 6, very naughty.
Ha, mine too, always running around.
Do you buy toys for her?
Sometimes, small ones from here.
That's nice. She must love that.
Yes, she smiles so big.
Little kids are so sweet.
Yep, full of energy always.
Look, there's the candy section.
Oh no, too tempting.
Haha, I can't resist chocolate.
I like gummy bears more.
I love sour candies.
Sour ones make my eyes water.
Haha, that's the fun part.
Do you like lollipops?
Not really, they take too long.
True, I like quick snacks better.
I'll just get a small bar.
Good idea, not too much sugar.
Yes, Mom says no more sweets.
Same here, mine says that too.
Parents always worry about health.
Yeah, but they are right.
Of course, we need balance.
Let's buy some cereal too.
Oh yes, I love cereal.
Which one do you like most?
Chocolate flakes, they taste great.
I like corn flakes better.
Simple but tasty with milk.
Yep, perfect for mornings.
Let's grab a box each.
Done. Anything else to buy?
Maybe bread for sandwiches.
I see it near that shelf.
Oh, whole wheat or white?
Whole wheat, more healthy.
Agreed. My dad prefers that too.
Do you like shopping, Emma?
Yes, it's fun with friends.
Yeah, time goes fast here.
True. We talked so much already.
I didn't realize we walked this far.
Haha, we covered the whole store.
Now my basket feels heavy.
Same here, lots of stuff.
Let's go to the cashier.
Okay, line looks short now.
Do you use cash or card?
Card, my dad pays later.
I use cash old style.
Haha, that's cool too.
The cashier is scanning fast.
Yes, she's really quick today.
Everything packed in one bag.
Perfect, easy to carry.
Are you going home now?
Yes, after this I'll cook lunch.
What are you making?
Pasta with vegetables.
Sounds delicious. I love pasta.
Come over someday, I'll make extra.
I'll bring dessert then.
Great. We'll have a mini party.
I like that idea.
Okay, I should go now.
Sure, my mom is waiting too.
See you tomorrow at school.
Yeah, don't forget your homework.
I already finished it last night.
Wow, you're always ahead.
Haha, just like to be ready.
That's smart, Emma.
Thanks, Jake. You're funny.
I try my best.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye, Emma. Take care.
Bye, Jake. Have a great day.
At the restaurant.
Hi, Emma. You're here too?
Hey, Jake. Yes, with my family.
I came with my cousin.
This restaurant looks beautiful.
Yeah, I like the lights and music.
The smell here makes me hungry.
So, everything smells delicious.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, maybe once a month.
It's my first time here.
You'll love the food here.
What do you usually order?
Mostly pizza or pasta.
I love pasta so much.
Me too, creamy pasta is the best.
Do they have lasagna here?
Yes, it's really good.
Oh, I'll try that today.
Great choice. You'll like it.
What are you ordering today?
Maybe a burger with fries.
Classic choice, always tasty.
Yeah, and I'm super hungry.
Let's check the menu together.
Okay, so many dishes here.
Look, they have veggie pizza too.
Oh nice, I might try that next time.
Do you like spicy food?
Not really, I like mild flavors.
I love spicy food.
Really? You're brave, Emma.
Haha, my dad loves spicy too.
My cousin can't eat spicy at all.
Poor guy, missing all the flavor.
He orders only plain stuff.
Everyone has their own taste.
True, food is all about mood.
Exactly. Food makes people happy.
Look, the waiter is coming.
Oh good, let's order now.
Hi, we're ready to order.
Yes, I'll have the lasagna please.
And I'll take one burger meal.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a glass of lemonade please.
I'll have an orange juice.
Great. Anything else for now?
Maybe garlic bread too.
Oh yeah, that sounds perfect.
Okay, your order will be ready soon.
Thank you so much.
Wow, I can't wait to eat.
Me neither, I'm starving.
This place feels cozy and warm.
Yes, and the music is nice.
It's calm, not too loud.
I like quiet restaurants.
Me too, easier to talk.
Do you eat out often?
Not really, mostly weekends.
Same. My mom cooks at home.
Homemade food is the best.
Yes, but sometimes I want restaurant food.
Same here, Emma.
What's your favorite restaurant?
Maybe Joe's Diner near the mall.
Oh, I've been there too.
Their pancakes are amazing, right?
Yes, I love their big breakfast menu.
I go there every Sunday morning.
That sounds nice, family time.
Yeah, we all go together.
Family meals are always fun.
True, lots of laughter and food.
Oh look, our drinks are here.
Lemonade looks so fresh.
And your juice looks good too.
Let's cheers, Emma.
Cheers, Jake.
That's really refreshing.
Lemonade always cools me down.
Especially on warm days like this.
Yeah, it's sunny outside.
Perfect day for lunch out.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, I love chocolate cake.
Me too. Chocolate is my weakness.
Same here, can't say no to cake.
I hope they have good desserts.
I think they do, I saw brownies.
Oh wow, brownies sound great.
Maybe we'll share one later.
Deal. Half for you, half for me.
Fair enough.
Here comes our food now.
Wow, that looks amazing.
My lasagna smells perfect.
And my burger looks delicious.
Let's start eating.
Yes, I'm ready to dig in.
This tastes so good.
Wow, my burger is perfect too.
The sauce is creamy and rich.
The fries are crispy and salty.
You should try this lasagna sometime.
Sure, I'll order it next time.
I'm already full halfway,
Huh, same here, big portions.
but it's too tasty to stop.
Yeah, can't waste good food.
I'll take the rest home maybe.
Good idea, no food waste.
So, what dessert should we get?
Brownie with ice cream maybe?
Yes, that's my favorite combo.
Let's ask the waiter again.
Excuse me, can we get one brownie?
Sure, would you like ice cream?
Yes, 1 scoop of vanilla please.
Great choice. I'll be right back.
Yay, dessert time.
Ha, best part of any meal.
True. Sweet ending for the day.
I'm glad we came here today.
Me too, this place is wonderful.
I'll tell my friends about it.
Yeah, we can come again soon.
Maybe next weekend after class.
That sounds perfect, Jake.
Oh, here's our brownie.
Wow, it looks amazing.
And smells like heaven.
Let's take a picture first.
Ha, of course, before eating.
Okay, done. Now let's eat.
It's warm and soft.
The chocolate just melts inside.
This is too good to share.
Haha, but we made a deal.
Fine, half for you then.
Thank you, Jake. You're kind.
Anything for dessert, huh?
I'm so full now.
Same, I can't eat more.
That was such a good meal.
Totally worth it.
The service was nice too.
Yes, friendly and quick.
Let's pay the bill now.
Okay, I'll call the waiter.
Here's your check, sir.
Thank you.
I'll pay for the dessert.
No, I'll handle it.
Come on, let me share.
Okay, we split it then.
Deal, teamwork.
Always fair, Emma.
This was fun, Jake.
Yeah, we should do this again.
Maybe next time with friends too.
Great idea, a group lunch.
Yes, more people, more fun.
Let's plan it soon.
Sure. I'll text you later.
Cool, I'll wait for it.
All right, I should go now.
Me too, it's getting late.
Thanks for the nice lunchtime.
Thank you too, Emma.
See you tomorrow at school.
Yep, don't forget your notes.
I never do, Jake.
Huh, good student as always.
And funny friend as always.
That's me. See you, Emma.
Bye, Jake. Have a great evening.
Bye, Emma. Take care.
At the airport.
Hey, Emma, what are you doing here?
Hi, Jake. I'm flying to New York.
Oh, really? That's cool.
Yes, I'm visiting my aunt there.
How long will you stay?
Maybe 1 week only.
That sounds like a fun trip.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Is this your first flight alone?
Yes, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, it'll be fine.
Thanks. Have you flown before?
Yes, many times with my family.
Where did you go before?
We went to Florida last summer.
Oh, wow, that must be fun.
Yeah, beaches there are amazing.
I love beaches. The sand, the waves.
So, I like swimming too.
What about you? Where are you going?
I'm flying to Chicago today.
Oh, nice. Family trip again?
No, visiting my cousin this time.
That's cool. How long is your flight?
Just 2 hours, not long.
Mine is 3 hours, I think.
That's not too bad either.
Yeah, I hope there's no delay.
Same, I hate waiting.
Airports get so busy sometimes.
Especially on weekends like this.
True. So many people everywhere.
Did you already check in?
Yes, I did it online.
Smart move. Saves a lot of time.
What about you, Jake?
I'm going to the counter now.
You should hurry then.
Yeah, my flight's in 1 hour.
Oh, better go soon.
I'll check in and come back.
Sure, I'll wait right here.
Okay, don't go anywhere.
Haha, I won't, promise.
Alright, I'm done now.
That was quick, good job.
The line was short luckily.
Great. Did you get a window seat?
I love window seats.
Me too. I like looking outside.
Watching the clouds feels peaceful.
Yeah, it feels like floating.
Flying is a fun experience.
Except takeoff, I feel nervous then.
Same. My ears pop sometimes.
Oh yes, I hate that sound.
Just chew gum, it helps.
Really? I'll try that.
Trust me, it works every time.
Thanks, Jake. You're helpful.
Anything for a friend.
Did you pack your bags already?
Yes, last night before bed.
Smart. I packed this morning.
Last minute packing, huh?
Yeah, I always forget something.
Happens to me too, every time.
What did you pack this trip?
Clothes, snacks, and my headphones.
Oh, I forgot my headphones.
Oh no, you'll get bored.
I'll buy one from the store.
Good idea. Many shops here.
Yeah, airports have everything now.
Even books and souvenirs.
I might buy a travel pillow.
Those are really comfortable.
Do you sleep on planes?
Not much, I just listen to music.
Same, music keeps me calm.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop mostly, and a little jazz.
I like rock and pop.
Music makes flights go faster.
True, time passes quickly then.
Do you watch movies on flights?
Yes, if the screen works.
Haha, yeah, sometimes it freezes.
That's so annoying mid-movie.
I bring my tablet just in case.
Smart. You're always prepared.
Trying to be, haha.
Did you eat anything yet?
No, not yet. I'm a little hungry.
Same here. Let's grab a snack.
Sure, I see a cafe over there.
Perfect. Let's go before the flight.
What will you have, Jake?
Maybe a sandwich and juice.
I'll take coffee and a muffin.
Sounds yummy.
I love blueberry muffins.
I like chocolate chip ones.
Haha, both are delicious.
Do you want to sit near the window?
Yes, let's watch the airplanes.
That big plane is taking off.
Wow, so fast and loud.
Planes always amaze me.
Yeah, flying is a miracle.
True. Imagine crossing states in hours.
Crazy, right? So fast and easy.
Our grandparents took trains before.
Yeah, it took so many hours.
We're lucky now.
Very lucky. Traveling is easy now.
I love visiting new cities.
Me too, new places, new food.
And new people to meet.
Yes, I like learning about others.
I always take photos while traveling.
Same here. For memories later.
I post mine on Instagram.
Haha, me too. Travel photos rule.
This airport has free Wi-Fi, right?
Yeah, I connected already.
Perfect. I'll upload some pictures.
Don't forget to tag me.
Of course, Emma.
Haha, I'll comment on it.
Great. You always write funny comments.
I know. Keeps things fun.
Look, boarding gates are opening soon.
Oh, mine says gate 12.
Mine is gate 9, not far.
That's close, nice and easy.
When does your flight leave?
In about 40 minutes.
Mine leaves in 50, I think.
So we still have time.
Yeah, let's sit and relax.
Good idea, my legs are tired.
Traveling makes everyone tired, huh?
I hope my seat is comfy.
Same here, long flights hurt my back.
I brought a small cushion.
Wow, you really think ahead.
Haha, I travel prepared.
I just bring snacks mostly.
What snacks do you like?
Chips, cookies, and candy.
Haha, very healthy, Jake.
I know, not healthy at all.
I brought fruit slices instead.
That's smart. Much better choice.
I'll share some if you want.
Thanks. You're so nice.
No problem. Friends share everything.
True. Except maybe last cookie, huh?
Haha, right? That's too precious.
I like your travel bag, by the way.
Thanks. I just bought it yesterday.
Looks stylish and strong.
Yours looks nice too.
Thanks, it's my favorite one.
Do you like traveling by plane?
Yes, but I hate turbulence.
Oh, same. It scares me sometimes.
Just close your eyes, it helps.
I'll remember that, thanks.
The pilot usually keeps it smooth.
Yeah, I trust pilots completely.
They're super trained and calm.
True. Flying is safe these days.
Oh, they just called my gate.
Already? Time went so fast.
Yeah, I have to go now.
Okay, have a great flight, Jake.
Thanks, Emma. You too.
Text me when you land, okay?
Sure. I'll message right after landing.
Perfect. Take care and travel safe.
You too, Emma. Enjoy New York.
Thanks. And you enjoy Chicago.
Will do. Bye for now.
Bye, Jake. See you soon.
See you, Emma. Safe travels.